Hello, my dear friends. Today we will discuss the topic name is leadership. Leadership. Leadership means what do you mean leadership? Leadership is the act of guiding a team or individual to achieve a certain goal through direction and motivation. My dear friends, leaders encourage others to take the actions they need to succeed. To be a great leader, it is necessary to learn and cultivate the skills it takes to be effective. Leadership. What are the five leadership skills? Today about discuss what are the five leadership skills. My dear friend, first is self development, second is team development, third is strategic thinking and acting, fourth is ethical practice, and seventh mindless. And most important skill for leadership, number five, every leader, innovation. My dear friends, self development, team development, strategy, and ethics and innovation. And what is a good leadership? What is a good leadership? A great leader possesses a clear vision, is courageous, has to integrity, honesty, humility, and clear of focus. The great leaders have people reach their goals, are not afraid to hire people that might be better than them, and the takes pride in the accomplishments of those they help a long way, a long humility, a long focus, a long vision. And next is who is a leader and why? Who is a leader and why? A leader is someone who can see how things can be improved and who realize peoples to move towards that better vision. Leaders can work toward making their vision a reality while putting people first. Just being able to motivate peoples is not enough, but leaders need to be authentic and connect with the people to be successful. What are the three most important qualities of a leader? Wealth commerce, CBSC pattern, the question 3 marks, integrity means ability to delegate. Number two is communication. Communication topic is self-awareness, gratitude, learning ability, and influence. And the third is empathy. So there are three most important qualities of a good leader. The characters and the qualities of a good leader: integrity, ability to delegate, communication, self-awareness, gratitude, learning abilities, influence, empathy, courage, respect, and acceptance. The most successful leaders do these eight things every day. My dear friends, first is promoting your vision. Means keep a clear vision of where your organization and business is going in front of your peoples on a daily basis. Number two is managing properties. Number three is delegation of tasks. Number four, motivating changes. Number five, generating emergency. Number six, communicating clearly. Number seven, listening actively. And number eight, managing risk. This is a eight things for everyday leaders, the most successful leaders. And the next topics I will discuss next lecture. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Thank you.